Hey guys, so we're doing a 50 spin challenge on Money Rain. Low rolling, 60 cents bet. And let's see how it rolls. So 50 spin, 60 cents bet per spin. Alright. It's kinda loud, the music. Let's see. There we go. I put in $78 in. Here we go. 1. First spin, first win. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. That's $1.10 win. On our 5th spin, 6. Whoa. Alright. 7. 8. We got a free spin on the 8th spin. 8 spins. There we go. We won 8 free spins. Come on. $2. On our 8th spin, we got 3 spins. Oh, come on. Trigger. Okay, last spin. 50. Alright. On the bonus, we have 400. We have 420. So, here's our 9th spin. 10. Alright, $1. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 'Yay! Biggest win so far, 280 on the line hit. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 5 win. 24. 25. On our 25th spin, we have 25 to 50. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 10 more spin. 20 more spins. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 10 more spins. 41. 42. 43. 44. All right. 46. 47. 48. 49. Last spin. 50. Alright guys, we started with 78. Now we're down to 71. Well, with a 50 spin challenge, 60 cents. It should be like a $30 loss, but we didn't do bad. We just lost like $7-8 instead of 30. Okay guys, that's the 50 spin challenge on Money Rain. 60 cents bet, 50 spins. Thank you. See you guys on the next challenge. Peace.